Can I make a joke about confessional? Is that okay? Do I need to confess about that? I don't know. Let's make some end tables. These are old floor grates from an old house. I got all the rust off them and I clear coated them, and we're gonna put them into these end tables that we're gonna make from scratch. This is all reclaimed wood, reclaimed floor grates, reclaimed glue. That's not true. That's not true at all. Let's go. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that this table was done first, and then I decided to set this into the tabletop. There's about a 1/8 inch gap. Now, this is the one I've done, and the top is done, but I need to make legs for it, and then I need to make a new tabletop for this. I made a couple extra pieces just because I've been known to screw up once or twice. You always got to look for cracks in the boards. You saw how easily that split apart. Can't use this. I'm trying to make legs. Actually, I bet you I could use this. This is garbage. I bet you I could use both of these. Last week I started something on Instagram. Click below and follow me right now. Last Saturday, I left the house with $100. I hit up a bunch of garage sales and bought some tools. With nothing but those tools, I made a workbench. And I sold that workbench for $100. That left me with $171. I also came across a tool chest at the garage sale for $10. The next day, I sold it for $100. So that left me with $261 after the first weekend. I then took that $261 and I bought a table saw. Just picked up this Delta saw for $60. This is Anthony.
What's up, guys?
He hooked me up. I'll say this though, it is not happy to be awake. It'll cut wood though. We're gonna make a set of these, sell them, and keep going. Look at these. They're so elegant. Whoa. Whoosh. That little detail just changes it from a stick to a nice leg. Alright, this was the one that was finished. Okay. And I'm going to take off the top because the top isn't no good anymore. We're going to replace the top. My little helper is sleeping. Hey, buddy. You sleeping?
Yeah.
Yeah, cleaning up good? Yes. Space it evenly around. Did you clean the driveway yet?
No.
No? Didn't seem right to me. You know what it is? It's racked a little, so I'm going to just make sure these two are good and then I'll fix those two later. Now I can just move this wherever I need to move it. I just used pocket holes to put this whole thing together. There's no glue. It's such a small piece of furniture that it doesn't need a ton of strength. I screwed up there, started rounding the wrong edge, or the wrong side. But that's it. It's pretty good. Check it out. This sits on top. And there's two of them. I'll see you next time.